for our Cluster 5 assessment. Make sure after you've done your review problems, you go to the assignment section and you complete your assignment independently today. We all know that the word independently means that we complete it by ourselves. So today we are going to talk about some addition and subtraction strategies. We're going to talk about different ones and ones that may work best for us. So before we begin, we're going to get started with a brain pop video. This is adding with regrouping. When we regroup, we make tens and we slide some over. So let's watch and learn.
Let's see, you jump roped 7 times. I jump roped 6 times. How many times did we jump rope together? Add the numbers to find the total. What is 7 plus 6? To solve this number sentence, we have to regroup. Sometimes when you add small numbers, the answer is a 1-digit number. But when you add larger numbers, the answer can have 2 digits. You can't fit a 2-digit number in the ones place, so you have to regroup. How do you regroup with addition? Let's see. We want to add 7 plus 6. The number 7 has 7 ones. The number 6 has 6 ones. To add 6 and 7, count all the cubes. It's easier if you trade in 10 cubes for 1 tens rod. There's 1 tens rod and 3 ones cubes. So 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. When you regroup, you gather ones into groups of tens. How many jumping jacks did you do, Moby? Wow, you did 26, and I did 9. How many did we do together? The number 26 has 2 tens and 6 ones. The number 9 has 9 ones. To add 26 and 9, regroup the ones. Trade 10 ones for 1 10 rod. There are 5 ones and 3 tens. So 26 plus 9 is equal to 35. Let's see. You did 44 squats, and I did 7. How many did we do together? The number 44 has 4 tens and 4 ones. The number 7 has 7 ones. To add 44 and 7, regroup the ones. Trade 10 ones for 1 10. So 44 plus 7 is equal to 51. How can you regroup with addition using pencil and paper? Good job, Moby. How many twists did you do? How many did we do together? Regroup the ones to make another 10. There's 3 ones and 2 tens. So 15 plus 8 is equal to 23. Let's see. How many lunges did we do together? When you write down a number sentence, make sure you line up the ones and the tens column. If you don't line them up properly, you'll get the wrong answer. First add up the ones column. 14, which is the same as 1 10 and 4 ones. So put the 4 in the ones column, then carry 1 10 to the tens column. I like to write it above. Then add the tens column. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 19 plus 5 is equal to 24. What is 54 plus 7? Add the ones column first. I know that 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So I put 1 in the ones place. Then I carry 1 over to the tens place. Then I add the tens column. I know that 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So 54 plus 7 is equal to 61. I'm exhausted from all this exercising, Moby. Aren't you tired?
Okay, so let's begin our review. It says add draw blocks to show your work. 55 plus 9. So I know that 55 is 5 tenths and 5 ones, so I'm going to draw 5 tenths. And then I'm going to draw 5 ones. And sometimes it helps me to draw my second number. Sometimes you don't have to, in a different color. So 9, I have 9 ones. So then I need to look. I have 5 tens, but I have a whole lot of ones over here. So I'm going to see if I can make a 10. Yes or no? Let's see if I can make a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to stop, put those together, and those will become a 10. All of those ones in there disappear, except for the ones that are left over. So then I need to count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So could I make a 10? Yes, I could. Ooh. Yes. Draw blocks to add. Do you need to make a 10? Circle yes or no. So we have 36 plus 12. This is our numbers. This is where our picture will go. So 36, it tells me 36 is 3 tens and 6 ones. 3 tens and 6 ones. And it also tells me that 12 is 1 10 and 2 ones. 1 10, 2 ones. So over here I need to look at my ones and see if I can make a 10. Make a 10, yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So no, I couldn't make a 10. So then I look. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 6 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. So, 6 plus 2 is 8. So 36 plus 12 is 48. That is a good strategy to use when solving addition equations. This next one, there is a video over here. If you would like to watch the Brain Pop video, you can do so on your own. Use mental math to solve the problems. I need to count my tens and ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. Plus 10, so 42 plus 10, 42, 52. Simple and easy. The picture's already there for you. All you need to do is solve. We're going to solve 35 plus 50 together. You can do 45 plus 10 independently. So when we're adding, we are going higher on the number line. So 35, we'll put a dot on the 35. 50 is 5 tens, 0 ones. So if I have 5 tens, I need to make 5 big jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 35 plus 50 gives me 85. Because all of those jumps are plus 10. And now we are going to move to showing our understanding of subtraction problems. Very similar to what you saw yesterday. This is a review before you start on your assessment. So write the numbers to complete each equation. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. And I also know that 7 tens is equal to 70. And I'm taking away 1, 2 tens, and 2 tens is equal to 20. If it's easier to fill out these together at the same time, you can. If not, you can fill them out separately, which leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, and 5 tens gives me 50. Oh, yes. It's especially easy and quick when they give you the picture already, and all you have to do is write your equations. Use mental math to subtract, like this one. They gave us the picture. All we need to do is solve. 37 minus 10, 37. Took away 10, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Simple and easy. The problems that you're going to see on your math are very similar to what we've been doing the last 2 weeks. And last but not least, you have another video up here, subtracting without regrouping. Let's see. Use drawings, models, or equations to solve. A store has 56 muffins. It sells 50. How many does it have now? 56 is 5 tens, 6 ones. It sells 50 muffins. We had a whole lot of people that were hungry that day that wanted some muffins. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How many muffins are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 muffins left. So if you would like to watch those videos before you get started on your work, you can. If not, you don't have to. Your assignment is down here in the student template. I'm going to have the questions recorded for you so that you can listen to them. If you don't want to listen to them and you want to read them yourself, that's fine. You are going to read the problem and write your answers. You can do this on the slides, or you can do it on a separate sheet of paper and upload a picture, whatever is best for you. You have 8 slides. Represent each number. Show your thinking using pictures, numbers, or words. You have 4 different numbers. Draw your tens and ones to show those numbers. 25 crayons were in a box, 8 more were in the desk. How many are there in all? Show your work and give your answer. Don't just write an answer on that line. Listen to the recording. So for this one, you have to listen to the recording. I'm going to read some problems for you. You need to write the answers in the box. This is the only one that you don't have to show work for. You have another word problem. Car lot has 50 cars. People came and bought 40. How many are still available? Show your work. Sarah bought 15 hair bows. Lisa bought 6. How many more hair bows did Sarah buy than Lisa? You have to write an equation. Use a symbol for the unknown. That's what you're solving for. And then show your thinking. Pictures, numbers, or words. 7 blue gummy bears, 5 red gummy bears, and 6 yellow gummy bears. How many are there in all? You've got 3 numbers to add together. Draw your picture, write your answer. And last but not least, read the number sentence. Circle